Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fine. In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to delete your Linktree account permanently. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. And without any further delay, let's get right into the video. First, you need to simply open your Linktree app. When you open your app, simply go to the more option on the bottom of your page. When you are in here, you can simply click on your Linktree account or simply go to my information as well. And when you go to the my information option at the bottom of the screen, you will see delete account forever. Simply click on it and you will get a confirmation page saying yes, delete my account, and this action is permanent. So make sure you know what you are doing. Simply click yes, delete my account, and a verification code will appear on the screen. Simply type it in and confirm again and hit delete. Your Linktree account will be permanently removed very easily like this. It was super simple and super easy, right? And that's it, your account is gone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.